Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your mob spawn rate in Minecraft. Now there isn't really a way to change mob spawn rate in vanilla. There is ways to make your mobs spawn less or make them more dangerous. To make them more dangerous, by increasing the difficulty of your level, such as hardcore, if you were to place a spawner in here, the mobs will come out much faster and much stronger. Now a way to stop that is by putting torches. Any torches matter, but the best are the redstone torches as they emit the most light. A way to make them spawn more again is by making your difficulty higher. If you're on low, medium or hardcore, that's going to significantly change how your mob spawn rate works. Now you can significantly change your mob spawn rate in different versions of Minecraft. If you were to make an actual server, there are different mob spawn rates commands that you could do. You could change your mob spawn rate lower or harder, depending on what your server wants and what your people want. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.